Sufism for the digital age. Finding presence in a distracted world. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. We live in an age of unprecedented connection, yet paradoxically, many feel more disconnected than ever. Our phones buzz, our screens glow, constantly pulling our attention in a million directions.
How often?
Do you find yourself truly present, truly anchored in any given moment? Today, we explore Sufism for the digital age. Finding presence in a distracted world, we'll delve into timeless Sufi wisdom and practices that offer a profound antidote to digital overwhelm, helping us reclaim our inner peace and truly live in the sacred now. Prepare to find stillness amidst the storm. Part 1. The Digital Dilemma. The cost of constant connection. Our digital tools, designed to connect us, often fragment our attention and dilute our presence. The attention economy. We're living in an attention economy where every app, every notification is designed to capture and hold your focus. This constant external pull makes deep concentration and inner stillness increasingly rare. Superficiality. We scroll past countless lives, consuming information without truly digesting it, leading to a superficial engagement with both the world and ourselves. We know of many things, but truly know very little. Anxiety and FOMO. The fear of missing out, FOMO, keeps us tethered. While the endless stream of curated realities can fuel comparison, inadequacy, and anxiety, our minds are perpetually racing. Lost moments. How many precious moments? A child's laughter, a sunset, a quiet conversation slip by because our gaze is fixed on a screen or our mind is miles away. Does this resonate with your daily experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. How has digital distraction impacted your life? Part 2. The Sufi Antidote. Cultivating inner presence. For centuries, Sufis have mastered the art of presence. Knowing that true reality is found in the now, they offer powerful antidotes to the digital age's distractions. Hudur al-Qalb, presence of heart. This is the core. It's about bringing your entire being, mind, heart, and spirit to the present moment, fully engaged with Allah and His creation. It's the opposite of ghafla, heedlessness. Muraqaba, vigilance, contemplation. As we discussed, Muraqaba is the constant awareness that Allah is observing us, cultivating our observation of Him. This naturally anchors us in the present, preventing the mind from wandering aimlessly. To gain stillness, tranquility. Sufism seeks to cultivate a profound inner stillness, not just the absence of noise, but a quietude of the restless ego. This inner silence allows us to hear the whispers of the divine. Ibn al-Waqt, child of the moment. The Sufi ideal is to be the child of the moment, living fully and intentionally in the present, free from the regrets of the past or anxieties of the future. This is the ultimate freedom from distraction. Part 3. Practical Sufi tools for the digital nomad. How can we practically apply Sufi wisdom to reclaim presence in our digitally saturated lives? Mindful Dhikr, remembrance of Allah, beyond mere repetition. Dhikr practiced with Hudur al-Qalb brings immediate presence. Consciously repeat Allah, La ilaha illallah, or Subhanallah, allowing each word to anchor you to the moment and to the divine. Do this while walking, cooking, or waiting. Structured silence, digital zud. Consciously create periods of digital fasting. Designate times or days without screens. Use this space for contemplation, tafakkur, prayer, or simply being present with loved ones or nature. This is a form of zud detachment, not from the world, but from its enslaving aspects. Conscious entry and exit. Before picking up your phone, take a conscious breath and ask, why am I picking this up? What is my intention? Before putting it down, take another breath and consciously transition back to your physical environment. One task at a time, ikhlas. Sufism emphasizes ikhlas sincerity, wholeness. Try to do one thing at a time with full presence, whether it's eating, praying, or having a conversation. Avoid multitasking, which fragments your attention. Which of these practices do you think would be the most challenging for you to implement, and why? Let us know in the comments. Part 4. The Transformation. Reclaiming your inner world, embracing. Sufi practices for presence isn't about rejecting the digital world. It's about mastering your relationship with it. The fruits are profound, deeper connections. When you are truly present, your relationships with loved ones become richer, more meaningful, and deeply satisfying. True inner peace, sakina, the constant chatter of the mind begins to quiet, replaced by a profound tranquility that isn't dependent on external circumstances. Enhance creativity and clarity. When your attention isn't fragmented, your mind becomes clearer, allowing for deeper insights, problem solving, and creative flow. Restored Baraka, divine blessing. Presence brings Baraka to your time and efforts. Even small moments become infused with blessing and meaning. Authentic living. You move through life with greater intention and awareness, making choices that align with your deepest values rather than reacting to external stimuli. Imagine a day where you felt truly present from morning till night. How would that change your life? Conclusion. The timeless answer to a modern problem: the digital age presents unique challenges to our attention and inner peace. But the timeless wisdom of Sufism offers a powerful and accessible path forward. By cultivating Hudūr al-Qalb, practicing Muraqaba, and embracing moments of sultan, we can navigate the distractions, reclaim our presence, and live a life infused with meaning and divine connection. It's about remembering who we are and where our true anchor lies, even in the busiest of times. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. If this discussion resonated with you, please like this video. It helps others find this important message. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed for more profound insights. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your biggest challenges with digital distraction? And what Sufi practices help you find presence? Your input fuels our community. Till our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah grant us profound presence in every moment.